Hey, Thomas, I have never asked you before. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm actually from South Africa. I left South Africa when I was 15.
Wow, that's great. Have you heard about this campaign called, I'm Precious to Jesus?
No.
They have been distributing t-shirts to the children with a message that they are precious to Jesus, so children can learn about Jesus's love. It is very touching.
Wow, that is great. Surely they will need that. Also, people who see them with the shirts on will think about how they treat the children themselves.
Yes, already they have distributed close to 3,000 shirts. From the pictures and videos, I can see how it touches children's hearts and everyone who sees them wearing it.
That is amazing. How can I help or get involved with the campaign? As a South African, I am well aware of the challenges that children faces there.
You can go to www.precioustojesus.org and find out more about it. If you buy a shirt, 2 shirts will go to children for free. Also, you can make a donation towards it.
Thanks, Kathy. I am going to check it out right now. And I want to be a part of spreading the message as well.
I knew you would love it.